the next concept will be on something called a column vector. So if we want to represent this arrow in terms of column vector, how should we do it? First of all, this vector can be decomposed into your horizontal and your vertical arrow. So these two arrows make up your diagonal arrow. Alright? And of course, if I want to represent this arrow in terms of column vector, how should I do this? So of course, we must put a bracket. Then we look at the length of the horizontal arrow. The length of this horizontal arrow is 2. So I must write 2. And the length of the vertical, I write 3. So I just write 2 here and 3. Yeah. So it's something like your coordinate geometry, right? Coordinate geometry, we write in terms of this with a comma. And the length, the left hand side is 2. The right hand side is your y coordinate. Yeah. So it's something, it's quite similar. Just that this one, the bracket is vertical. Alright, and the direction is very important. Okay? Always remember, when you are pointing towards the right, it is positive. You are pointing upwards, it is also positive. Okay, and of course, the opposite will be negative, right? Left, negative, and downwards, negative. Alright, okay, so let's take a look at some example. For this arrow, you can see that this arrow right here, the horizontal is pointing towards the left, and the vertical is pointing towards the upright. So I must represent this arrow in terms of -1 and +2. Okay, so so this is column vector.